Congratulations! Hi, my name is Eli and thank you for taking action. Before moving on, let me explain you some details. In a few seconds, you get access to your dashboard, your builderall dashboard, to start building amazing websites and funnels. So, to get access to your dashboard, all you have to do is to click on the button below, Access My Office Now. But before access your dashboard, let me tell you something more. You can reach me on Facebook by clicking the button below, and you can also get access to the training we have to help you create your website or funnel. Now we can start. All you have to do is to click on the button Access My Office Now. Once you click on the button, you come on a page like this. Then enter your email address and the password you have created. Hit the button. Now we are on your dashboard. For your first connection, builderall will ask you to choose your country. I'm in France, I'll click France. Okay. Then builderall will register your answer. Then you have a video explaining you what builderall is about. You can take a look. And after that, hit next button. Then you have this notification that will walk you through all builderall is about. You can click next and they will explain you all. Okay, you can do that if you want. Okay, in our case, I'll skip it just to save time. As you can see, you have the access for the 14-day trial. But don't worry, after the 14 days, builderall will ask you if you want to upgrade or not. If you don't want to upgrade, you'll stay on the free plan and you can continue building website as you want. And there is something else I want you to know. Click on affiliate and you have a page like this. Take time to read the time of use, and after that, hit the accept button if you are agree. Why that? That will allow you to become an affiliate and you can earn commission if you bring somebody else to use builderall. And to finish, to start building your website, go and click on this button, Sheeter. Here is your autoresponder. Here, this tool is Canvas. We'll come on it later. If you want to follow the training, click on the button of the training below to get your access. Once you are on the page of the training, you'll see all the lessons about Sheeter, how to use Sheeter perfectly. And don't forget to register the URL of this page, either by copy it on your notepad or add it to your favorite. And also don't forget, you can contact me anytime. That's why I'm asking you to hit that contact button here and you reach my Facebook account. You can add me as a friend if you want, and you can also send me a message by messenger. Now it's your turn. Let's start building something amazing with builderall.